Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the correct charger head and cable for your MacBook Air. This prevents mismatched voltages and connectors. Once done, inspect the entire cable length and connector tip for frays, bent pins, or dirt that will block contact. Make sure the AC plug mates cleanly with the charger brick and that the brick's vents are clear. This avoids overheating. While you prepare a clean workspace, keep a flashlight and cloth nearby to spot hidden damage and contaminants. You now join the charger components with deliberate alignment to protect contacts and magnets. For detachable AC plugs, push straight until you hear or feel a click. This ensures secure power transfer and prevents arcing. For MagSafe, hold the connector center, let the magnet pull it into place, and confirm a snug magnetic snap. For USB-C, insert straight and reversible. Do not wiggle or force, which can bend pins. Once connected, route the cable with broad loops to reduce stress and extend life. You finish by plugging the charger into a grounded outlet and observing the Mac's battery icon or the charger LED to confirm current flow. If nothing happens, make sure the outlet is live and test with another device. Then swap the detachable AC head if available. If the charger gets unusually hot, emits smell, or shows no LED, disconnect immediately and stop use. If the hardware looks fine but the Mac doesn't charge, reset the SMC or try the charger on another Mac to pinpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.